great Web 2.0 tool to use in the classroom is Bubble.us. It's very cool and super easy tool to get your students brainstorming and making a mind map. Here's a quick idea of how you can use this site. Let's say you want students to map out the important elements of a book, such as the character, setting, and plot. Go to the website, click the button Start Brainstorming, and a new sheet opens. Click Start here in the middle of the sheet and type the title of the book in the bubble. I'll put in one of my favorite books, which is Harry Potter. Next, press the Tab key and a new bubble is created. In this bubble, I'm going to type in characters. After this, you can press Control Enter to add a new bubble that is connected to the previous bubble. Type the name of a character from the book. We'll type Harry. We'll go back and touch the characters button again. We'll do Control Enter for a new bubble. Ron. So now I have some characters listed. If we now want to add another element of a story we're talking about, we come back here, press the Tab key, and we can do Setting. Control Enter to get a bubble of the setting and write the setting of the story. Now you can move bubbles by touching the yellow bubble. You'll get this up. So you have options to change the color of your bubbles. You can change the size of the bubbles. And then, as I said, you can move the bubbles onto the screen wherever you would like. Now, if you need to connect the bubble, hover your mouse over the bubble until you see the menu that includes color, size, connect, and delete. Oh, this message will come up because I haven't created an account, and it is free to sign up to create an account to do so and save your work. Well, anyways, to get the bubbles to connect, you would hover over. When you get this, you do Connect. Click and drag Connect until you hover over another bubble. Release the mouse and the connection is made in no time, and you have a mind map of your book. So I'm clicking and dragging to characters, and there is our first one. I also want to connect the title and the setting of the book, so here's number 2. Now if I want to space this out a little more, I again can move my characters, change the color of my bubbles, I can change the text color, and so on. Enlarge, whichever you may do. You can do this for all the individual bubbles and fonts. An interesting thing as well is that for the characters, you see this little button, and you can collapse to hide the bubbles off the characters. When I do that, there's a +3 where we know there's 3 bubbles because I did 3 characters under there. So you can keep going and brainstorming and adding bubbles until your mind map is finished. Then you can easily save it in your account, print it, or do what you would like to it as well, export and import. This encourages a lot of collaborative discussions and thought and organization. So your students will learn the interface quickly and get very creative with this tool.